Hey y'all, so jumping right into it, I use these Miche Beauty products to cleanse and deep condition my hair, and I have to say I'm really impressed by them both. My hair was super moisturized and I love that. Also, the deep conditioner smelled like Airheads candy and it was like nostalgia. So being that I'm doing a twist out, I like to do it on damp hair, so I use my turban towel to absorb some of that water, because if I don't, it'll take forever to dry. My hair is so dense. Then, of course, I'm sectioning my hair off into 4 sections. First product I'm going in with is the leave-in conditioner made with aloe vera and avocado oil. This was a really nice leave-in conditioner, moisturizing, and it smells so good. And then I'm gonna split that section into 2. I sat in that towel for like an hour. My hair did get a little more dry than I wanted, so I'm just adding just a little bit of water to it. Then going in with this hydrating and twisting butter. So bomb, thick, creamy. So I'm starting with doing flat twists in that front section. So I'm doing 2 going down on this side, and then I'm doing 2 flat twists on the other front section of my hair. And then, of course, making sure the hair is fully detangled all the way down. So you'll see me take the Denman every so often just to make sure my hair is nice and smooth. And then I always love coiling my hair at the tips. So onto the back section, I decided just to do regular 2-strand twist back here. And because I was going for more of a chunky twist out look, I ended up only doing 4 twists in each back section. So a total of 8 twists in the back. So now that I'm done, I'm gonna sit under the dryer because I just want my hair to be done today. And now I am from under the dryer after almost 2 hours. So I like to just take some oil to coat my fingers for the takedown of the twist to help, you know, keep frizz to a minimum. And of course, just take your time, especially when you're taking out a flat twist. It's a little more intricate. So when I got to the back, I noticed that some of the twists still had damp spots, and it's just unbelievable because I sat under the dryer for almost 2 hours. But that goes to show just how dense and thick my hair is. Luckily, it wasn't too bad, so it didn't really affect the twist out. And this is the moment I noticed that I hated the way it was looking. I don't know, so I'm gonna fluff it, and I had to do a lot of work to make this twist out look good, and I normally never had to do that with twist outs when my hair was shorter. So I just think because it's longer, it just falls differently. So you're gonna see me messing it up a lot. I was pretty much running my fingers through it, causing more frizz, but it started to look good and gave me some more volume. So I'm just literally breaking it up even more and kind of running my fingers through it and doing extra fluffing to make it look more voluminous, more picking. Just, I had to do a lot, girl, and I never had to do this with twist outs when my hair was shorter. So I guess the longer length just makes it look different, but it finally started to look good. And then I noticed I didn't like the way the front was falling, so I ended up taking some curl maker to just slick it down in the front. It ended up looking pretty decent. I didn't like it at first, but now that I look at it, I think it's still kind of cute. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll just see you at my next upload.